Okay, we're starting chapter 5, and again, I want to reiterate that the video is for one reason and one reason only: checking your work. Okay? Also, make sure you write this on your paper. It's for helping your understanding. Okay, so if you're using the video to just copy down the work, that's not helping your understanding. If you're not even watching the video and you just copy somebody else's paper, it's very obvious to me because you'll have letters and numbers that'll be wrong because you copied them from someone else. And so make sure that you're doing the homework. Step 1, do your homework. Okay. Step 2, check your answers. Okay. And then step 3, watch the video as many times until you understand these questions, because these questions are now fair game on any test from now to the end of the year. So the video is to make sure that you not only get the right answer, but that you understand why that is the right answer. And this is really, really important. Okay? So step 3, watch video to gain understanding. Okay, now put your name on here too. Make sure you got your name. And again, you can take these notes anywhere here toward the top, but I want these notes on the piece of paper. Okay, now let's start. Now in the lesson, I had said, do me a favor and number the angles. So I said the angle where the exterior angle is, we're gonna call him 4, and then this guy, 1, 2, 3. So we're just gonna go through here. This is 4, 1, 2, 3. This one's 4, 1, 2, 3. More. This one's 4, 1, 2, 3. 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 Now it doesn't really matter once I'm inside the circle. My interior angles, I can go in any order, but it matters. I want the 4th angle to be the exterior one because he's not inside, he's outside. All right, this one's 4, and then I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, so right now, based on my notes and how I've numbered these, angle 1 and angle 4 add up to 180, and angle 1, 2, and 3 have to add up to 180. So we figured out in class there's a shortcut. If I know angle 3 and angle 2 and add them together, they should equal angle 4. So angle 2 plus angle 3 should equal angle 4. Angle 2 plus angle 3 should equal angle 4. That's how we set these up. Angle 2, oh, I numbered this one wrong, so that happens. Oh, I gotta redo that one. So let's say you make a mistake and I don't have an eraser. I'm just gonna redraw this. So I have angle 4. I should have called this one 1. And then that one 2 and that one 3. Okay. That makes me feel a little bit better. And we know this angle is 80 and this angle is 25. Okay. And this angle is a question mark. So that goes to our next step. We always make X what we don't know. So any question mark you can just turn into an X. If you don't know what a number is, we can just turn that into an X, okay? So I made that one X. Okay, so now let's start solving. So angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 4, as long as I made sure to label the 2 remote angles and the exterior angle. So it says here angle 3 is question mark, so I'm just going to call that X. And angle 2 is 50, okay? And angle 4 is 120. So I can subtract 50 on both sides. and I get 7. Let's do this one. The 2 remotes add up to the exterior, so the 2 remotes have to add up to the exterior. The 2 remotes, 70 and 50, had to add up to the exterior, which we don't know. But now we do. The 2 remotes, 25 and 80, have to add up to the exterior. The 2 remotes, angle 2 and 3, have to add up to the exterior. The 2 remotes, angle 2 and 3, have to add up to the exterior. We did this one in class. The 2 remotes have to add up to the exterior. The 2 remotes, angle 2 and 3, made it a little harder on me now. So let's take a look. The 2 remotes, angle 2 and angle 3, have to add up to angle 4 because that's the exterior angle theorem. EAT, the exterior angle theorem. So angle 2 I labeled 30, right? Angle 3 is labeled 4x plus 2, so this is just substitution. And angle 4 is x plus 6. 8 plus 6x. Now, this is an algebra problem. So the ones in the back are going to get a little harder. And so let's just prepare. We do need to kind of be careful on our algebra. So I'm going to combine these 2 terms that are alike. And I get 32 plus 4x is equal to 8 plus 6x. Now I've told students a tip. One tip is you got 4x's on one side, 6 on the other. So move the fewest amount. It would make more sense to move the 4x over here. So I'm going to subtract 4x on both sides. Subtraction property of equality. And I get 2x plus 8 equals 32. Now I still have this 8 to get rid of. So subtraction property of equality. So I have 2x equals, what is that, 24. And now, so that's subtraction property of equality a second time. And then now I want to divide by 2 on both sides, so I get x is equal to 12. And that was division property of equality. You know, you don't have to write this out, but again, it's great practice for chapter 2, and it might come up on another test. That's all the solutions for the front. Please watch video 2 for the solutions. And again, you're watching the video to gain understanding. So watch it as many times as you need to help your understanding. Thanks for joining us.